1961, when I used to be a drunk, probably teaching my two little brothers that already passed away to be drunkards also. I was responsible. Then 1961, something happened. When I went down to General Hospital, they used to have this hospital in Verrier Street in Ottawa. I stayed there 9 days, and they examined me from the rectum, from the mouth. Three doctors came sit in my bed. One of them was holding the papers, a pad like that, and they tell me, in order to operate, they said, we have to put your rectum under your arm here, and we're going to put a bag for your waters here. I said, is this temporary while you operate? He said, no, it's forever. All you do, he said, it's all malignant. You're having a cancer. It's all the way through. I used to weigh 185. Then I became 100 pounds. So I told them, my Creator did not put that there, what you're talking about. So is my waters. It's going to stay where they are. They shook my hand to give me 2 weeks. Okay. I phoned my wife, and I had my son was driving her around. So they can pick me up. I came home. There was a Chesterfield like this, long window where I live. I see my daughter had a room out here, and my wife her master room on this side. And I was sleeping near the window, covered with a blanket. It was just dark yet outside, very, very early in the morning. Then I lay down there and sleeping. I wake up, just take somebody rapping the door, the window. I just have the drapes that cover the window. I see this little bird. He's not bigger than this. When he was singing, his beak was this. I know that bird. What makes me do it, I don't know why. I even told him, I said, you're not a bird. You're not just a bird. I want you to save me. I know who you are. So as I went on the floor to kneel down to look at the bird. Then I asked him to take me that day. If you don't have anything that I could do in future, I want you to use me. If not, I said, I want you to take me now. I want to go. I don't want to live another day.
This morning outside I stood and saw a little red-winged bird shining like a burning bush, See it like a scripture verse. It made me want to bow my head. I remember when church let out how things have changed since then. 'Cause everything is holy now. Everything is holy now. Everything is holy now. Everything, every little thing, everything is holy now. Yeah, everything is holy now. Hey, yeah. Everything's a miracle. Everything is holy now. 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 Everything's a miracle. Everything is holy now.
Through talking to that little bird, I know. I talked to him and I said, "You're not just a bird, you're somebody else I know." I know he was my master. Creator appears in many forms, and I believe that. When I ask him to use me for the things I had to do in life, if they don't have any, if he doesn't have any whatever, I ask him to take me away. But I live.